to follow the COPTA 2003 rules. I would like you to extend it to Navratri, to what do you call it? I've been involved in 20 or 30 years of Ganesh Utsav Mandal. Like Mr. Ambedkar said that he is used to dancing and he has been always involved. Now you have to empower this Ganesh Utsav Mandal to see that 100 meters away from this area, you should not allow them to sell these gudka and pan bidi and all those things. So if it is not there in the COPTA bylaw, you should see that it's involved. I mean, you get into that. I would like your comments on that.
As far as the first part is concerned, why it is restricted only to Ganpati Mandal? See, it's not, we don't intend to restrict only to Ganpati Mandal. But once, this is one of the most important social and one of the biggest in terms of participation of the society. It is one of the biggest social function we have in the city. Last year we succeeded by just promotion. This time we are kind of doing regulation. Once we succeed here, and I think we already succeeded last year only. This year is just a, like, let's say the final cap of it through law. We are going to have it in other things also. There is absolutely no way that we are going to restrict only to Ganpati, but all social functions, wherever there is a participation of the society, wherever there can be a promotion of such products in society, we will have restriction to that. So that's number one. It's not going to be restricted only to this. I am very sure that society will also support us if we go, if we take this step further to other like Navratri and other social functions. That's number one. Number two, I think your suggestion of banning the dispensation or the retail of such products near about Ganesh Mandals, 50, 100 meters or whatever, and around 100 meters around the schools and all, may not be very practical thing. I have always realized one thing, that whenever you try to read this, they buy it off one day before, or some kind of illegal activities happen there. A little illegal market comes up in the night, slightly surreptitiously. It will be impossible to police illegal dispensation centers if they come in and around these mandals. And frankly speaking, we have, as I said, around 2 lakh this thing. Last year we had 1,86,000 conversions in this city, and Ganpati mandals are around 12,000. So I think if you do 100 square meter around, maybe we will cover the whole city. It will be impossible to do it. And my practical point is, if you do that, it's much easier to control and have reasonable control over legal dispensation issues. Like we can, just because it's legally possible to sell, people legally sell, that's why all these statutory warnings are there. If you try to control it so much that the legal thing will go up totally, then once the legal trade comes up, then it will be impossible to even carry that statutory warning for the people who are going to consume that. So that seems to be slightly practically difficult issue. What the speaker said here, actually, that you don't have a right to kill me, you want to kill yourself. Actually, government in the constitution, they are welfare state. So we not only worry about what you do to others, of course that's the first step, but we also worry about what you do to yourself. Just if there is some bad habit which is going to affect only you, then also government steps in and government tries to at least promote the knowledge and information. And I will simply say, of course it's your decision to do what you want to do with your life. That's a basic definition of freedom. But your decision has to be informed decision. And all our responsibilities is to ensure that you have information. If you are having this thing, informed decision of an adult is something which has to be respected in society. But you have to inform, and what I hate about this surrogate thing is, it's not informed. It's a wrongly informed decisions which you ask people to take. That's why I find it surrogate. But what you said, as per your question is concerned, second part is practically difficult. First part, absolutely sure, rest assured. Once we succeed in the biggest social function of this city, other social functions, of course, we'll also doing those things also.